Here is the weather and snowpack briefing for January 23rd, 2014. Here is the Colorado snow water equivalent update as of Thursday, January 23rd, 2014. The snow water equivalent graph shows the amount of water that remains in the snowpack compared to the average for the state. The northern sections continue to show the best values, with the snow water equivalent above average for this time of year. However, the southern sections are showing values that are 25 to 30% below what is typically found this time of year. Here is the percent of normal precipitation for the month of December for the three states, Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming. Focusing on the Grand Junction forecast area, much of the southeast Utah area and southwestern Colorado saw below normal amounts for the month. Some sections across northern Utah and Colorado, as well as along the Continental Divide, saw above normal amounts, with the remainder of the forecast area seeing normal values. One caveat: much of the precipitation occurred during the first week of December. Here is the percent of normal from December 24th through January 22nd, with Colorado outlined in the blue box. All of eastern Utah and much of western Colorado is showing much below normal precipitation through this period. The only exception is areas in and near the northern mountains near Steamboat Springs and south to near Vail, where above normal precipitation has occurred due to the storms occurring in quick hitting northwest flow through the period. Here's a map showing the forecasted upper level winds at 500 millbar pressure level, or an altitude of approximately 18,000 feet, for Sunday, January 26th through Thursday, January 30th. As we progress through next week, northwest flow will increase over the forecast area. The best focus will be over the northern and central mountains, along and near the Continental Divide, where an increasing chance of snow is expected through the week. This map shows the quantitative precipitation forecast through next Thursday, January 30th. The best precipitation will be focused over the northern and central mountains of Colorado and along the Continental Divide through next Thursday. Here's a peek into the longer range period showing the mean 500 millbar pattern forecasted into the first week of February. The pattern shows a more active northwest zonal flow across the Intermountain West. Details are difficult to determine this far out, and model solutions are not as reliable. However, this pattern will provide some hope for a more active, stormier pattern into early February, with the best chance across the north and areas along the Continental Divide. So in summary, moist northwest flow will increase next week in favor of the northern and central mountains, especially along the Continental Divide, with an increasing chance of snow. Models are showing the possibility of a more active pattern into the first week of February, favoring the northern sections and to a lesser degree the remainder of the forecast area. That concludes the weather and snowpack briefing for January 23rd, 2014. For additional weather information and the latest forecasts and highlights, go to www.weather.gov/GJT.